Hey fam, does your back or hips feel stiff and locked up? Let's turn that tension into movement and energy. In just 5 minutes, we're targeting your spine and hips to unlock flexibility and create balance. No fancy equipment, just you, a mat, and a willingness to show up. Are you ready? Let's hit the mat. Let's begin by unwinding that upper back, like untangling a knot that's been holding you back. Start on all fours with your wrists directly under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Slide your right arm under your body, lowering your right shoulder and ear to the mat. Keep your left hand planted on the ground for stability. This gentle twist is going to relieve tension between your shoulder blades and improve spinal mobility. It's perfect for breaking up the stiffness we collect from sitting too much. If you need support, place a pillow under your shoulder or head. To deepen the stretch, extend your left arm straight out in front of you for an extra pull through your side. Take one last deep breath here and prepare to balance things out on the left side. Now it's time to bring harmony to the left side, resetting the balance through your spine and shoulders. Switch sides, threading your left arm underneath your body and lowering your left shoulder and ear to the mat. Keep your hips square as you settle into the stretch. This move stretches your upper back, shoulders, and neck while improving your overall spinal rotation. Let each breath guide you deeper into relaxation. If the stretch feels too intense, use a cushion for extra support. For more depth, slide your right arm out in front of you, lengthening through the side body. One last twist here, and let's shift our focus to the hips with a deeper stretch. Let's bring mobility to your hips and create length through your side body. Picture yourself unlocking hidden movement. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, keeping your left knee grounded. Rest your right forearm on your thigh and extend overhead, reaching toward the sky. Breathe deeply into the stretch, swinging your arm gently. This is going to improve hip mobility while stretching the obliques and side body, creating flexibility and ease in your posture. Use your left hand to support you off the ground. Lift your right leg off the mat if you're ready for a deeper challenge. Take one last reach, and let's bring the same openness to the left side. Now let's balance it out by opening up the left side of your body. Think of this as creating symmetry in your flexibility. Step your left foot out to the side, grounding your right knee. Rest your left forearm on your thigh and extend overhead, reaching toward your right side. Swing your arm for 30 seconds and let your breath deepen the stretch. This stretch is easing tight hips and lengthening the side body, promoting balance and fluidity in the movement. Increase the distance between your right hand and your right knee to shift the weight. Or lift your back knee to challenge your stability and deepen the stretch. Feel the release in your hips and core. And let's wrap things up with a spine and full body stretch. Let's finish strong by giving your spine the freedom to move and flow. Come onto all fours with your wrists under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone for cow pose. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin and pelvis for cat pose. Flow smoothly between these two positions, letting your breath guide you. This stretch brings mobility to your entire spine, easing tension in your lower back and neck while promoting a calming rhythm. If you have sensitive knees, place a cushion under them. For an advanced variation, hold each position for a few extra seconds to deepen the stretch. Take one final arch and round, then return to a neutral spine feeling refreshed and centered. Great work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've created balance in your entire body, improved flexibility, and built strength. You've already won the day. Half the battle is just showing up, and you crushed it. Each time you see that notification of a new upload, just press play. It's that simple. To make sure you don't miss out, hit that subscribe button and bring your friends along for the journey. Accountability makes it even more fun. I've created a free gift to help you jumpstart your fitness goals. It's packed with everything you need to level up. Check it out in the description below. Stay strong, stay flexible, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.